Prickstitch. This is similar to backstitch. First I will do my knot, go inside. The difference between backstitch and prickstitch, the prickstitch has smaller stitches and bigger space between first and next stitch. The principle is the same as the backstitch. We're going backward 1/8, 1/16, and I'm going forward 1/4 inch. This is could be used as decorative stitch, or for example you can attach your zipper. And when you're using Prickstitch, you have to go through all layer of your fabric. And again, I'm going 1/16 backward, 1/4 inch forward. Do not pull too tight, make sure it's flat. Keep your fabric on the desk. It will be helpful. Space between first and next stitch, 1/4 inch. You can play with distance. On the front it looks little dots. On the back it looks similar as our back stitch. Use your symbol to push your thread forward, in and out, and I'm using my guideline, and I do even spaces between first and next, backward, inside and forward, under, 1/16 back, again forward from inside 1/4 inch, 1/16 back. It's a very nice stitch. You can use for decorative purpose or for connecting your layers, for example zipper with your garment. And do not pull too tight, make sure your garment flat, not pulled. And in the end I will go inside and do a little knot to finish my sewing. Just do a couple times in and out. Trim the rest of your thread. This is face side of the Prickstitch. This is inside side of the Prickstitch. This is our Prickstitch.